Hi everyone, I'm Afia, and I'm just gonna talk for a quick second about how incredible this space has been for me. Um, this whole project was a surprise for me. I knew it was gonna happen, but I didn't know what it was gonna look like. I wasn't in any of the meetings. I just gave my mom the artwork that I had and was like, hopefully y'all can incorporate this because I don't really want to buy anymore. But I really love the pieces I bought, just kind of on a whim. And my mom and Miss Denise kind of brought it to life. And really, Miss Denise, like, shout out to my mom for making it happen. But I think I am continuously the recipient of all of Miss Denise's talents. A little bit about me. I am a senior at Harvard right now, finishing up my last semester, so I'm off cycle. I decided to try and finish in 3.5 years instead of four. So this is actually finals week for me. I have Oh my God, it's Tuesday. I am done with college on Thursday. That's so crazy. Um, and so while this space kind of came into fruition a few weeks before finals and a few weeks before finishing, this was kind of a great transition out of my undergraduate experience into what's going to be next. We all got sent home because of COVID-19, so I wasn't on campus. I didn't feel that last little bit, but now we're really trying to figure out what life is going to be like next. And it's great to just be in a space that feels warm and inviting and that you really want to be in. It's so funny. My mom was like, "Oh, I never see you anymore," because I used to like take all my Zoom calls on the couch upstairs because it was like a better background, just blank background with the window behind me. And now I took all my calls right here because like this is cute. um, like when the sun is out, it's all like bright behind me, and I have my little yellows, and it matches my skin, and I think it's kind of cute. And when I'm on the phone with my grandma, she's like, "Why is this like faceless, like half naked lady on your walls?" But it's okay. It's all a part of my personhood and how I'm feeling right now, and I just feel like everything about this energy is where I want to be, even though it's not like entirely where I am right now. I'm really trying to like improve my anxiety, maximize my sleep, just like build on a lot of things that I want to see in the next year. And I think that's really in tune with this stage of life that I'm in. So graduating college, I'm about to start my full-time job in a couple of months. So I have a little bit of time just to take a deep breath, ask myself what I want, how I want to see it. So I have like a little yoga space now. I have my TV in this little like living room area, so I don't have a TV in my room anymore. Really trying to just like grow up a little bit. And so this is a nice transition because I've never had a room. I've never painted my walls. I've put artwork up in my dorm room, but I've never put artwork up in my bedroom at home. So this is a really big difference just in how I'm living life here. And I'm excited. Still working on keeping it clean because I'm notoriously messy, not dirty, but a little messy. My clothes are always all over the place. But a big goal of mine when my mom asked me what I wanted was I just wanted everything to have a home, because part of what contributes to my messiness is like not having space for everything and having to like build in spaces. And so the beauty of what Miss Denise created here is there are drawers everywhere, there are shelves everywhere. There was a lot of shelving that I already had that I didn't know how to use. And she transformed old dressers that I was ready to get rid of but I didn't have replacements for, and just created a space where like everything really has a home. So I'm excited to keep getting rid of stuff, and so now places that have homes will have a little bit of space around them. um, yeah, this is great. I spend all my time down here. You see behind me, I'm doing Christmas gifts now. My mom was like, "Okay, you ever gonna come upstairs?" And I probably won't, but it's okay. The big TV is upstairs, but I like it down here. Uh, it is home. It's becoming home, um, and I love seeing all the little bits of me that I envisioned for myself and the bits of me that I didn't envision for myself. That the people around me, that my mom and Miss Denise, who is a former teacher of mine, um, all of that creativity just flows out in this space, and I am so grateful.